Oh, today. Today is about opening up, sharing your past and things that make you vulnerable, trusting in someone enough to open up to them about things from your past that you might not exactly be proud of, or things that are hurtful, triggers, whatever the case may be. When you find yourself opening up to the partner about things that you want to share with them, maybe it's because you want them to have more understanding and insight into who you are as a person. And when that person decides at a moment when you're in an argument or a disagreement, and they take those things that you shared with them and turn them back against you and use them against you, is very, very disrespectful, because you kind of question yourself as to why you opened up and trusted that person with those feelings and those things from your past. But for them to use it against you and weaponize it is very disrespectful, and just shows a kind of emotional immaturity. We talk about the silent treatment. Yes, silent treatments can be a manipulation tactic, but at some point, when you're belittled, degraded, made to feel like the things that you shared were just, ways to attack you in times of arguments and disagreements, it makes you not react. And sometimes you have to find some silent treatment. And yes, we should all set boundaries, and we are responsible for setting those boundaries. But silence says a lot sometimes. And yeah.